Hello everyone. Today I am going to elaborate my experience of what I learned with Webstack Academy internship, and it was 1 month long internship and it turned out to be a great experience for me. Now let's move to the another slide, that is contents, which is included about me, overview, goals of internship, architecture and design, full stack development, MERN stack, technologies used, implementations, conclusion. Now let's move to the another slide, that is about me. So my name is Amit Kumar. I am from Kolkata and right now I am pursuing BTech in IT department from Narula Institute of Technology, Kolkata. This internship for me to gain hands-on experience, learn more professionals and contribute to meaningful projects. Now let's move to the another slide, that is overview. So what is the overview of this internship? So the MERN stack is a popular web development framework that consists of MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. It is a full stack solution that can be used to build both an front-end and back-end of applications. This Homelyhub project is an online platform where hostels and other type of accommodations make their rooms available to traveling and party guests from all over the globe. This project is built using the MERN stack with React used for front-end, Express and Node.js used for the backend and MongoDB used for the database. Now let's move to the another slide, that is the goal of the internship. So the goal of this internship are to acquire hands-on experience with MERN stack development through real-world projects and to help us develop a strong foundation in MERN stack technologies. Throughout the program, they provide us with hands-on experience in full stack development that will challenge us and push to grow as a developer. During the internship, we will work together with other interns and mentors on the project. We will share ideas, help each other learn, and solve problems as a team. This way, we can overcome any challenges we face together and make progress on the projects. Now let's move to the another slide, that is the architecture and design. So the architecture and design of a software application are super important because they decide whether the app will be successful or not. When an app is well designed, it's easy for people to keep up with and grow as more users join. The MERN stack uses a three-tier architecture. Presentation tier. So presentation tier is responsible for displaying the user interface and handling user interactions. This tier is typically implemented using React. Now another one is application tier. So application tier is responsible for processing user requests and growing responses. This tier is typically implemented using Express. Now another, that is data tier. So data tier is responsible for storing and retrieving data. This tier is typically implemented using MongoDB. And this project consists of firstly home page, then booking page, and login page, logout page, and forget password, and edit a profile, payment page, send the email page, and so on. Now let's move to the another topic. It is full stack development. So it is the process of developing an application's front end and back end, including the user interface, server and database, and it is able to develop both client and server software. Now I will give one example for this. Suppose imagine a website as a house. The front edge is like the exterior and interior design. That is, people see the and interact with, like the paint colors, furniture and decoration. The backend is the like the plumbing, wiring and structural support that is behind the scenes workings that makes everything run smoothly. Now let's move to the another slide, that is one. So it is a collection of technologies that developers to use create and web application using JavaScript. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js, and each component plays a role in the development process. To learn more, you should know all these basics, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, knowledge of database. So what is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it is the standard markup language used for creating and structure and content of web pages, and it uses tag to define various elements within a web page such as heading, paragraphs, image, links, forms, and tables, and more. And it is as a building blocks for web pages, providing a structure that web browsers interrupt to render the web pages correctly. Now talking about CSS. So CSS stands for the cascading style sheet, and it allows you to change the appearance of HTML elements, and you can change the color, size, font, spacing, and position of text and other elements on a web pages. And now talking about JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that makes websites interactive and dynamic, and it's like the brain behind the scene of a web page, enabling it is to respond to user action and change content on the fly without needing to reload the entire page. And knowledge of database. So database used for the store the data. Now let's move the another slide, that is React. So what is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces for web and mobile application, and it is used to create dynamic and interactive web applications. This means the application can change and update content without needing to reload the entire page, providing the smoother user experience. And it is the most popular library for making single page applications, that is widely used for building single page application because of its efficiency and performance. And it follows one way data flow where data follow from parent to child component. This means that changes in data at higher levels in the component hierarchy can affect the data displayed in lower level components. This helps manage the and update data efficiently within the applications. And it was created by Jordan Walker, who was working at Facebook. Now let's move to the another slide, and that is Node.js. So it is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment, and it allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server outside the browser environment. And it uses non-blocking asynchronous input-output operation. So what is non-blocking and asynchronous input-output operation? So non-blocking, imagine you are waiting in the line at the fast food restaurant. In a non-blocking system, instead of waiting for your order to be ready before serving the next customer, the cashier takes your order and moves to the next customer while your order is being prepared. This way, the system does not get stuck waiting for one task to finish before moving on to the next one. Now, what is asynchronous operations? That is refers to the task like regarding from a file, making a network request, or accessing a database. Instead of waiting for these operations to complete before moving on to the next task, and it allows multiple input output operation to be performed simultaneously. So while one input output operation is in progress, so it can continue executing other tasks without waiting for the first one to finish. And now npm, it stands for Node Package Manager, is the default package manager for Node.js. So it is like a big online store for JavaScript code. Just like you can go to a store to buy things you need, developer use npm to find and get code packages they need for their projects. And what is default package manager? When you say npm is a default package manager for Node.js, it means it is the main tool that Node.js developer use to find and install code packages for their projects. It's built in and ready to use whenever you install Node.js in your computer, and it is a popular for building real-time applications such as chat application and gaming platforms and so on. Now let's move to the another slide, that is Express.js. It is a web application framework for Node.js, and it is minimalist and lightweight, offering essential features without imposing strict rules. And it allows to set up middleware functions to process HTTP requests and responses. And it provides built-in middleware for handling errors and applications. Now let's move to the another slide, that is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database management system, and it stores data in flexible JSON like documents called BSON, and it provides powerful query language and indexing capabilities, and it has following features, that is document model. So it is powerful way to store and retrieve data in any modern programming language. And second one is in memory data stored. So it is all the objects that are stored are located in memory proceed there, which means there is relatively easy access to get to them. And third one is aggregation. So aggregation allows to perform operation on the group data and get a single result or computed result. Now let's move to the another slide, that is technology used. I have used all these technology in these projects, that is React, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Mailtrap, Stripe. These all React, Node.js, Express, MongoDB are discussed earlier, and now discuss Mailtrap and Stripe. So what is Mailtrap? It is an email delivery platform that allows customers to manage the email infrastructure in one place. And Stripe, and it is a payment processing platform that allows business to accept payments from customers through their website, app, and anywhere else on the internet. Now let's move to the another slide, that is implementations, and I will explain these all functions mentioned in this project. It is like a smart hotel booking website where you can easily find and book a place to stay. When you visit the website, we will see all the hotels right on the main page. If you are looking for sometimes specific, like a hotel with a pool or in a certain area, we can use the search bar to find it quickly. To use the website, you can either create an account or just log in if you are already have one. And if you forget your password, no worries. There is a simple way to reset it. Once you find the perfect hotel, booking is a breeze. Just choose your dates, make the payment securely, and you are all set. You can even manage your bookings and update your personal information whenever you need to. Homelyhub has all kind of accommodation from fancy hotel to cozy guest houses, so you can find exactly what you are looking for. Now let's move to the another slide. That is conclusion. This internship at Homely Hub was really fun and I learned a lot. It was a great chance for me to dive into full stack web development using the MERN stack. I got to work on the Homely Hub project, which was super exciting. I learned how to build different parts of a website from the front end to the back end. And I am so thankful for this opportunity. Now that the internship is over, I feel more confident as a developer. I am looking forward to using what I learned in my future career. Now let's move to the another slide. So thank you WebStack Academy for providing me such a grateful internship, and it was very helpful mentors there and very experienced and interactive in teaching and showing doubts as well. Now I am going to hand over this presentation to my teammate Varnika mittal. Please take it forward.
Thank you, Amit Kumar. And I am Varnika mittal. I am pursuing BTech from Quantum University, Roorkee. Right now, I am in third year. Now, let me show my project which we have made in internship at WSA Academy. And it was great experience during this internship. Now, I will show you my project which we have developed it using MERN technologies, MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, and Node.js. This project is based on travel and tourism means which we when you go on a trip you have a book hotels, villas for night stay. So you can book through this type of project. This is my homepage. First, I will show you that we can create account in this. First, we have logout. Now, create by new user, name, mail, password. We can set password. Registered successfully. First, I will show you my account. Here is account. You can edit your profile like name, phone number, and set avatar. I will set this and update it. Done. Now from here you can search your destination, start date, end date, add guest, or you can add filter according to your need. First, I will book destination like you want to booking here. Start date, choose a date of starting like 7 April to 13 April. Number of guests 4. Your full name Ayushi. Your phone number. Book this place. Add card number. RCC. Pay. Your booking is successful. If owner want to add new property, so they can be add from here. Property name like Himalayan Villa. Address area Missouri. City Missouri. State UK. And pin code. From here you can upload the photos of property. Need to upload minimum 5 photos. You can add extra information what you want to add. Timing. Can be set timing per night. Accommodation not available. If you want to search any destination, means you want to book for night stay, so you can filter out as per your need. Price, guest house, entire room, Wi-Fi. Apply filter. According to this filter, is not available property here. From here you can see this. You can see needed here from here, and you can book directly from here. So yeah, this is my project. Thank you so much.